Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set notifications on the June's Journey application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my place in the game, and you can find different buttons in the home screen, for example the profile, the shop and the others. New, but if you want to set the notifications, just click to the upper right corner of the home screen and click to the second icon, the settings. And here you can find four sections: the basic, the social, the notifications and the advanced. Click to the third, the notifications, and here you can edit the push notifications about the energy refill, the construction timer, collect coins and reminders. If you want to disable, for example, the reminders, just click to the star icon, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.